going on, guys? Welcome back to another fire ass episode. Today you might see the demise of old motherfucking Jared right there. We're gonna get all the smoke today. And my homeboy over here, Matthew, and his damn K-Swap Integra, and then my other homeboys, Boo Boo, fucking B-Series Coupe. So we might have some white on white. Hey, y'all think we can get some white on white crime today? So we're gonna try to get some white on white crime going on out here. And we're gonna make a test hit. We're gonna make a test hit out on the track. We've never been here before. We got Coastal Plains Dragway out here in Jacksonville, North Carolina. It's about an hour and a half away from the shop, about 2 hours away from the crib. And hopefully we can turn the car down enough so my boy Derek here can get some street. What the hell was that? That was an EcoBoost Mustang. I think it just blew up.
That didn't sound.
Yeah, no, I think it just spun. But we're gonna see if Derek can get some seat time in the car, because this year is gonna be the year that Derek goes fast in a front wheel drive car, and then we're gonna build something rear wheel drive and peel his muffin cap back. So we go ahead, suit up, and warm the car up, get it all warmed up, oil all warmed up, go make a test hit.
I'm gonna let him know. Just gotta get out there and then
All right, guys, so on the last hit, I'm not gonna show times. I've been trying to grudge race this car, but been a bunch of fucking bitch ass people that really just don't want no smoke from the car. So I'm gonna just show you a fucking 60 foot. I've never done this whole like 60 foot showing thing before, so just hold on. All right, I got you. That's a damn 60 foot from the car right there. So that's what a year's work of fucking chassis tuning and fucking good boost control will fucking do for you. So Jared said that he wants some smoke yet again, so I got the hit from him. He's over here fixing his shift selector pin, because my man drives his shit like he stole it and just loves to break shit. So I'm probably gonna get gapped on the hit because he fixed his boost control issue now. So Rona. So we're gonna go out. I put a little bit more boost in the car. We're on 27 pounds now, and we're gonna see what this motherfucker will take. Pray for my rods.
please. I think you'll be all right, man. Like I said, I've pushed those rods pretty far before.
Yeah, I know. I just seen Eagles break at like 700. Well, not break, but they bend. You know.
I made on my CSS block back in the day, I had Manly H beams and I had Supertech pistons.
Yeah.
82 mil.
Yeah, these rods are like, they got like 70,000 miles of straight abuse on them, so, and daily driving, so you don't know how much longer they got left in them.
Right.
So hopefully it holds. All right, so overall, fan-fucking-tastic day at the track. I cannot complain. This thing is a solid fucking unit, and I'm glad that I'm able to pilot this thing. Today might be the last day I get to drive this car. Well, I will drive this car. I'll probably drive one more time because these motherfuckers over here want some smoke. So we got a new PB in the car. Y'all saw the new PV 60 foot, so you can only imagine how much faster the car went than the last time on previous videos. So I'm not telling times on this car anymore because nobody wants to fucking race this shit, and it's getting tired. Actually, my man right here stepped up. He stepped up.
Give him some butt. Give him some butt. Hey, for my brother.
I want some too.
He said,
I want some too.
hey, shut up, bro. We already know you outpower me, so go ahead and stop the cap.
Way worse than the last time.
Oh, wow.
Man, look.
Wow, I told you I rolled the light and I got nervous. I didn't want a red light.
Brother. That's all I want to say. That he got a lot of power. Oh God, they killed me, stone dead. That's sweet. Stone dead. See, they don't understand that's where my ancestors came from. Stone dead.
Appreciate it.
We gonna get it on.
We got it.
We gonna get it on.
So yeah, we had a really good time at the track today. And we're gonna keep working on the chassis some more and see if we can get it tightened up to be consistent, well, more consistent than it already is, and work on some power. I kind of need to look at the tune up top because when you start throwing, well, I gotta rev the car out right now. So right now we're revving out to 9200, but when we're coming through the traps, it's hitting the box maybe at the 1,000 foot. So
You still need to tell everybody.
what?
There's no one that rolls gears like you.
Show Matt.
That
Well,
man's a
they'll see it in the the video.
That man's a machine.
There's no ass man.
Yes.
Can me and Alice get in the car?
Yeah, go ahead. No, not that car. You gotta get in that car. Yeah, because we're about to put this on the trailer. So yeah, we're about to put this. We about to put this thing on the trailer and head on home. So as always, comment, like, share, subscribe. As always, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.